vehicles, commonly referred to as UAVs or drones, are changing the way we live. Unmanned aerial vehicles or drones are just a single component of an entire system of hardware, software, and human input that make up the unmanned aircraft system. UAS is comprised of everything that makes a UAV work, including its GPS navigation system, ground control station, and transmission systems. The unmanned aircraft system can also include the cameras, sensors, software, and even the pilot on the ground controlling the UAV. With rapid advances in technology, drones are having an increasing impact on our lives. UAVs are delivering the food we eat and capturing breathtaking footage in our favorite movies. These unmanned aircraft can deliver medical supplies amid natural disasters right now. NASA and other federal agencies have even deployed UAV research aircraft to monitor pollution, the weather and climate, and have flown vehicles involved with monitoring hazardous wildfires. That's what's happening right now. But soon, drones will revolutionize our future even more, and we want you to be ready for it. What new careers and opportunities await you? And how will UAS change the way you travel, receive packages, and respond to emergencies? We brought in the experts to help us answer those questions.
What we look at today are drones that maybe fly around and take pictures or have little remote control toys. What we want to do is take that ability for a distributed electric propulsion system, and we want to be able to transform that into large-scale opportunities where we can fight fires with water. We can also bring medical supplies to people out in rural areas, and then ultimately we want to look at that idea of getting your Amazon drone packages delivered to your door. And this next step that NASA is working on is how do we move people with that same platform? And when we're moving people, that's where we're going to have a lot different levels of safety. Whether you're on the ground, in the air, or in an air traffic control tower, jobs are going to need to change, but the safety needs to stay the same. And we're very excited to partner with future interns and future researchers such as yourselves, and we look forward to working with you in the future.
Imagine how awesome it would be to take a ride on a drone to a friend's house or get your favorite midnight snack delivered to your home. These unmanned aerial technologies are super exciting. The question remains, what kind of career opportunities await you, and how can you prepare?
This industry is going to require a lot of jobs that are looking at airspace architecture, looking at air traffic controllers, looking at pilots, looking at avionics technicians, and new engineers. So what we want to do is research those areas, partner with students like yourselves, and make sure that there's a platform for your ideas, and that there's room to imagine and grow to turn this industry in whatever you want it to be, because ultimately it's going to be yours in a very near future.
If you are passionate about aeronautics, we challenge you to embark with us on our journey and learn more about cutting-edge careers available to you in the not-too-distant future. The important thing is there is a career here for you. We certainly don't have all the answers, and a new generation of thinkers will be needed to elevate tomorrow's technological breakthroughs. But together, we can take to the skies and build a bright technological frontier. Remember, your attitude determines your altitude.